and the EU.
To the health sector now, where the Kenya National Union of Nurses is now threatening to go on strike to ensure the government resolves the challenges faced by nurses in their field. Speaking in Kakamega town, Seth Panyako, the Secretary General of the Kenya National Union of Nurses, says the effort to resolve the long-standing issues with government have borne no fruit, adding that more than 8,000 health workers are expected to participate in the strike. He also called on President William Ruto to slash 3 billion shillings from his office's budget, all in a bid to ensure the Ministry of Health is well equipped with resources to address some issues troubling nurses in the 47 counties.
We held a meeting with the CS Health, the Honorable Eden Twale, on 6th. And the least we expected from him was that budget has been allocated for our UHC staff to be absorbed from 1st of July this year. But unfortunately, he was telling us they will be absorbed in the next budget, 2026, 2027. That was simply saying that these people may not actually be absorbed after working for 5 years in what we call dubious engagements, which go against the law, go against the principle of non-discrimination and work of equal value for equal payment. My question to the president is, if you really love this country, why can't you just remove 3.5 billion from these 15 billion and allocate it to UHC staff so that they can be absorbed into permanent and pensionable for them to live a decent life like other workers in Kenya? Otherwise, we are saying we have declared war, and I am optimistic, and I'm 99% that the National Governing Council is going to authorize me to issue a nationwide strike. We have never gone on strike since this government came in place. But our patience and trying to work with them has turned out to be a mockery for us, for our leadership.
Matters education and the Kenya Prime